And thank you for the prep or the lack of prep on that question there, Richard. I appreciate it. I think the world is really small. There's a whole bunch of really smart people in the world of crypto, financial services, fintech, technology. I think it's about us being open, being willing to partner, helping people to solve for things that we haven't thought about. And I think that's the big thing. And I think we are seeing ourselves, as we're a financial services company doing crypto, that gives us a lot of obligations to do, which we're super happy to have. But I think we're going to see more and more conversations, which are that mixture between traditional financial services, technology, and crypto assets. So for me, it's about how we engage and how we need as an industry to engage with each other, and then how we educate and communicate our value propositions to consumers.